Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a peaceful walking tour from Fitness Zone Health Club in Qlap all the way to Hua Ho Kiulap, but with a twist. We're not just sticking to the main roads, we're taking a hidden shortcut that most tourists and even some locals don't know about it. If you love discovering quiet paths, local spots, and everyday Brunei life, you're in for a treat. Our journey starts right here at Fitness Zone Health Club. We head straight down the road, passing Red Chillie restaurant on our left, a go-to for spicy curries and roti canai. Next, we cross the street towards Wisma PH Apong in Simpang 150, home to Daun restaurant and a few small offices. But instead of continuing on the main road, we're about to vanish into a secret. Now, here's something most people don't know. Tucked between Wisma PH Apong and the surrounding greenery, there's a quiet concrete walkway that cuts straight through to Setia Kenangan complex. This path isn't covered, it's not marked, and it's completely hidden from the main road. You'd never notice it unless you live or work around here. Look around. Thick greenery on both sides, the sound of birds, a little breeze. It's like stepping into a hidden corridor of the city. No traffic, no noise, just a peaceful, straight shot through Qlap. This is the kind of path that only locals use. Workers heading to offices, residents taking a quick route, or students cutting through to save time. It's a true urban secret. And just like that, we arrived at Setia Kenangan complex. Feels like magic, right? One minute you're in a quiet jungle-like path, the next you're back in the middle of daily life. Inside the complex, the energy shifts. We've got cloth shops with colorful fabrics, tailoring services, a wooden furniture shop with handcrafted pieces, computer shops, eateries, and even money remittance services. Everything a small community might need. Just a short walk from here brings us to International Graduate Studies College, or College IGS, and today it's extra special. It's their convocation ceremony, and we just spotted the Brunei Minister of Home Affairs arriving. What an honor to witness such a proud moment for Brunei's students. The architect of College IGS is modern and dignified, a symbol of Brunei's growing focus on higher education. A few steps further, BIBD Bank, sleek and professional. And just beyond that, our first sighting of Hua Ho Kiulap. But we are not going in yet. Instead, we are looping around, crossing the road to Tian and Chuan building, a hotspot for food and tech. This place is packed with eateries, from local noodle stalls to bubble tea shops. There's also a computer shop for repairs and accessories, and even a medicinal shop offering traditional herbs and health tonics. After that, we passed Qlap Plaza Hotel. Then crossed to Zafra Restaurant, home of the famous barbecue tonight buffet. Opposite, Seri Qlap Mall stands tall, but today we're keeping it simple. We're retracing our steps with fresh eyes. Past Insurance Islam Type in Surya Building, through Seri Enigma Building. Where Ayamku restaurant serves crispy fried chicken that's worth the detour. Then into Seri Qlap Complex. another lively hub of food and daily essentials.
Good morning. Yes. Thank you. I'm actually doing a video walk about here. True.
And now, after a full loop through Qlap's streets, hidden paths, and community spots, we arrive back at our final destination, Hua Ho Department Store Qlap. Whether you're here to shop, eat, or just people watch, it's always buzzing with energy. This walk was more than just point A to B. It showed us quiet shortcuts, local commerce, education, and community, all within a few blocks. That's the beauty of Qlap. It's compact, connected, and full of surprises. Did you know about that hidden walkway? Have you used it before? Let me know in the comments. And if you love discovering quiet paths and local life, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more Brunei walks. Until next time, keep walking, keep exploring, and see you on the next hidden path. Bye for now.